Hi, in this video we are going to talk about variance and covariance. We'll start with variance. Now what is variance? Variance is the measure of the spread of the data. Okay, since we have seen in the previous video in principal component analysis, we understand the better the spread of the data, the better is the model. Okay, so the variance is the measure of that spread of the data. Okay, so the more spread out the data is, more is the variance. So there are two types of data here. This one is having low variance and this is high. It is very clearly visible. Okay. And now what is covariance? Covariance is the situation when the variance in both cases are equal. Okay, you can see the variance in both cases are equal. But the data is clearly very different. Okay, one data is increasing and other data is decreasing. Okay, so the since even if we are having the same variance, the data is different. So to represent that difference in data, we use covariance. Okay, so the covariance represent the relationship between the data points. The positive covariance is when by increasing x, y is also increasing. Negative is when x is increasing, y is decreasing, and zero covariance is when there is no trend in data points. Okay, what is covariance matrix? Covariance matrix, this is something that you can just remember. If you are studying for coding, then this is something that just one line of code can give you, so it's okay. So what is covariance matrix? Covariance matrix, we have first variance of x and variance of y, and then we have covariance of xy and covariance of xy. Or for better understanding, we can also say that we have covariance of xx, covariance of xy, covariance of xy, and covariance of yy. This is our covariance matrix, and this is something that we are going to use in our implementation of PCA. Okay.